The formation of the first cells marks a pivotal moment in the history of life on Earth. Approximately 3.8 billion years ago, in a primordial soup of chemicals and energy, the first simple cells emerged. These cells were likely prokaryotic, lacking a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Instead, they contained genetic material in the form of circular DNA, surrounded by a cell membrane. The exact process by which these cells formed remains a subject of scientific debate, but several theories have been proposed. One prominent hypothesis suggests that these cells arose from self-replicating molecules in a process known as abiogenesis. Another theory posits that they may have originated from deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where the necessary conditions for life to form were present. Regardless of the exact mechanism, the appearance of these first cells laid the foundation for all life that followed. These early organisms were likely anaerobic, meaning they did not require oxygen for their metabolism. Instead, they likely relied on simple chemical reactions to generate energy. Over time, these primitive cells began to evolve and diversify, giving rise to a multitude of different single-celled organisms. The development of these early life forms set the stage for the incredible diversity of life that we see on Earth today. Studying the formation of the first cells provides valuable insights into the origins of life and the processes that govern biological evolution. By understanding how these simple organisms arose and evolved, scientists can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and interconnectedness of all living things. The study of early life forms also sheds light on the conditions that were present on early Earth and the factors that shaped the development of life. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the past, we uncover clues that help us piece together the story of how life on Earth began and evolved over billions of years. The formation of the first cells represents a crucial chapter in this epic saga, setting the stage for the wondrous diversity of life that we see today. The development of single-celled organisms marked a significant milestone in the evolution of life on Earth. These simple organisms, known as prokaryotes, were the first to exhibit the basic characteristics of life, such as metabolism, growth, and reproduction. One of the most fascinating aspects of single-celled organisms is their incredible diversity. Despite their small size and simple structure, these organisms come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and forms. From the spherical shape of cocci to the rod-like structure of bacilli, single-celled organisms display a remarkable array of morphologies. Additionally, these organisms have adapted to thrive in a wide range of environments, from scorching hot springs to freezing polar waters. Some single-celled organisms, such as cyanobacteria, played a crucial role in shaping the Earth's atmosphere by producing oxygen through photosynthesis. This oxygenation of the atmosphere paved the way for the evolution of more complex life forms. Single-celled organisms also exhibit remarkable resilience and adaptability. They have developed ingenious survival strategies, such as forming biofilms to protect themselves from harsh conditions or exchanging genetic material through horizontal gene transfer. The study of single-celled organisms provides valuable insights into the fundamental processes of life, such as cell division, gene expression, and metabolism. By unraveling the mysteries of these tiny but mighty creatures, scientists gain a deeper understanding of the origins and mechanisms of life on Earth. The emergence of multicellular life represents a monumental leap in the evolutionary history of organisms on Earth. While single-celled organisms had dominated the planet for billions of years, the development of multicellularity opened up new possibilities for complexity and specialization. Multicellular organisms are composed of multiple cells that work together to form tissues, organs, and organ systems, allowing for greater efficiency and functionality. The transition to multicellularity is believed to have occurred independently multiple times in different lineages, suggesting that it provided a significant evolutionary advantage. One of the earliest known multicellular organisms is the Grippania spiralis, a fossil dating back over 2 billion years. This ancient organism had a spiral shape and is thought to have been a type of algae. The emergence of multicellularity paved the way for the evolution of more complex life forms, including plants, animals, and fungi. Multicellular organisms exhibit a remarkable diversity of forms and functions. From the towering redwoods of California to the microscopic hydra in freshwater ponds, multicellular life has evolved to occupy nearly every habitat on Earth. The development of specialized cell types allowed multicellular organisms to perform a wide range of functions, from photosynthesis in plants to nerve conduction in animals. One of the key innovations of multicellularity is cell differentiation, where cells take on specific roles within the organism. This specialization enables multicellular organisms to carry out complex tasks more efficiently than their single-celled counterparts. The evolution of multicellularity also led to the development of complex life cycles and reproductive strategies. Some multicellular organisms, such as plants, exhibit alternation of generations where they switch between haploid and diploid phases. Others, like animals, have evolved intricate mating rituals and parental care behaviors to ensure the survival of their offspring. Studying the emergence of multicellular life provides valuable insights into the processes that drove the evolution of complexity and diversity on Earth. By unraveling the genetic and developmental mechanisms that underlie multicellularity, scientists gain a deeper understanding of how life has evolved and adapted to changing environments over millions of years. The evolution of fish and amphibians represents a fascinating journey that spans hundreds of millions of years, showcasing the remarkable adaptations and diversification of these aquatic and semi-aquatic creatures. Fish were among the earliest vertebrates to inhabit the Earth's oceans, with the first known fish-like organisms appearing over 500 million years ago during the Cambrian period. These early fish lacked jaws and were primarily jawless, such as the ostracoderms. However, the evolution of jaws in fish, around 450 million years ago, marked a significant advancement that allowed for more efficient feeding and predation. One of the most iconic groups of jawed fish is the placoderms, which were armored fish that dominated the seas during the Devonian period. The development of paired fins in fish provided greater maneuverability and control in the water, leading to the emergence of diverse fish species, including the ancestors of modern sharks, rays, and bony fish. The evolution of fish also saw the rise of the lobe-finned fish, such as the coelacanth lungfish, which played a crucial role in the transition from aquatic to terrestrial life. These lobe-finned fish possessed limb-like fins that eventually gave rise to the tetrapods, the first four-limbed vertebrates. The transition from water to land marked a pivotal moment in evolutionary history, leading to the emergence of amphibians. Amphibians, such as frogs, salamanders, and caecilians, are known for their dual life cycle, starting as aquatic larvae and transitioning to terrestrial adults. This unique life cycle reflects their evolutionary history and the challenges of adapting to both aquatic and terrestrial environments. Amphibians were the first vertebrates to colonize land, paving the way for the evolution of reptiles, birds, and mammals. Despite facing threats such as habitat loss and climate change, amphibians continue to thrive in diverse ecosystems around the world, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. The evolution of fish and amphibians provides a captivating narrative of survival, innovation, and transformation, highlighting the interconnectedness of all life forms on Earth. The rise of reptiles and dinosaurs marks a significant chapter in the evolutionary history of life on Earth, showcasing the dominance and diversity of these fascinating creatures. Reptiles emerged around 315 million years ago, evolving from their amphibian ancestors to become the first fully terrestrial vertebrates. One of the key adaptations that set reptiles apart from amphibians was their ability to lay shelled eggs on land, allowing them to colonize a wide range of habitats. Reptiles diversified into various groups, including the iconic dinosaurs that roamed the Earth during the Mesozoic era. Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that ranged in size from the tiny hummingbird-sized Microraptor to the colossal long-necked sauropods like Argentinosaurus. These magnificent creatures dominated the land, sea, and sky for over 100 million years, evolving into a myriad of forms and adaptations. One of the most well-known groups of dinosaurs is the theropods, which included fearsome predators like Tyrannosaurus rex and agile hunters like Velociraptor. The evolution of feathers in some theropod dinosaurs laid the groundwork for the development of flight in birds, showcasing the interconnectedness of evolutionary pathways. Another group of dinosaurs, the sauropods, were massive herbivores with long necks and tails, such as Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. These giants roamed the ancient landscapes, shaping ecosystems and leaving behind a rich fossil record that continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. The end of the Mesozoic era saw a mass extinction event that wiped out the non-avian dinosaurs, paving the way for the rise of mammals and birds. However, some lineages of dinosaurs survived and evolved into modern birds, showcasing the enduring legacy of these ancient reptiles. The study of reptiles and dinosaurs provides valuable insights into the processes of evolution, adaptation, and extinction that have shaped life on Earth. By unraveling the mysteries of these prehistoric creatures, scientists gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things and the forces that drive biological diversity. The rise of reptiles and dinosaurs stands as a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life in the face of ever-changing environments and challenges. The advent of mammals marked a significant shift in the evolutionary history of life on Earth, leading to the emergence of warm-blooded, milk-producing animals that exhibit a wide range of adaptations and behaviors. Mammals first appeared around 220 million years ago during the Mesozoic era, coexisting with dinosaurs and other reptiles. One of the key features that set mammals apart from other vertebrates is their ability to nurse their young with milk produced by mammary glands, a defining characteristic that has contributed to their evolutionary success. Mammals exhibit a remarkable diversity of forms, from the tiny bumblebee bat weighing less than a penny to the massive blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived. This diversity is reflected in their habitats, behaviors, and ecological roles, with mammals occupying nearly every corner of the globe, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the mountains. Mammals have evolved a wide range of adaptations to thrive in various environments, including specialized teeth for different diets, fur or hair for insulation, and complex social behaviors for communication and cooperation. The evolution of mammals also saw the development of unique features such as live birth, warm-bloodedness, and a highly developed brain, leading to the emergence of intelligent and adaptable creatures like primates and cetaceans. The study of mammals provides valuable insights into the processes of evolution, adaptation, and ecological interactions that have shaped the natural world. By unraveling the mysteries of these fascinating creatures, scientists gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the remarkable diversity of forms and functions that have evolved over millions of years. The diversification of mammals is a fascinating tale of adaptation, innovation, and survival that has led to the incredible diversity of forms and functions we see in the animal kingdom today. Mammals have evolved to occupy a wide range of ecological niches, from the soaring bats that navigate the night skies to the burrowing moles that tunnel underground. One of the key factors driving the diversification of mammals is their ability to exploit different food sources and habitats, leading to the evolution of specialized traits and behaviors. For example, the long neck of the giraffe allows it to reach high branches for food, while the streamlined body of the dolphin enables it to glide effortlessly through the water. Mammals have also developed a variety of reproductive strategies, from the solitary lifestyle of the orangutan to the highly social groups of elephants. This diversity of reproductive behaviors reflects the complex social structures and interactions that have evolved within mammalian species. Additionally, mammals have evolved a wide range of sensory adaptations, such as the acute hearing of the bat and the keen sense of smell of the bloodhound. These sensory abilities have allowed mammals to thrive in diverse environments and outcompete other animals for resources. The study of mammalian diversification provides valuable insights into the processes of evolution and adaptation that have shaped the natural world, highlighting the ingenuity and resilience of these remarkable creatures. Human evolution is a captivating journey that traces our origins from ancient hominins to modern Homo sapiens. The story of human evolution is marked by key milestones, such as the development of bipedalism, the expansion of brain size, and the emergence of complex social behaviors. Our earliest ancestors, such as Australopithecus afarensis, walked upright on two legs over 3 million years ago, setting the stage for the evolution of the human lineage. The genus Homo, which includes species like Homo habilis and Homo erectus, exhibited increased brain size and tool use, reflecting a shift towards greater cognitive abilities. The emergence of Homo sapiens, our own species, occurred around 300,000 years ago in Africa, leading to the spread of modern humans across the globe. Human evolution is also characterized by genetic diversity, with different populations adapting to their environments through natural selection and genetic drift. The study of ancient DNA has provided valuable insights into our evolutionary history, revealing interbreeding events with other hominin species like Neanderthals and Denisovans. As we reflect on the journey of human evolution, we are reminded of our shared ancestry with all living beings and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. By understanding our evolutionary past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and resilience of the human species.